Hello everyone! Today we'll be doing our first unboxing video of this remote control Lego car. Let's open up the box to see what's inside. The box is kind of damaged, so hope nothing's damaged inside. There are stickers. This is a power unit. Oh, the remote control. This is a remote control. This is supposed to be the motor. This is, I think, a charging cable. What is this? It's an empty bag. These are the instructions with an extra page. And these are all the bricks for the Lego car. There are some individually wrapped Lego bricks for absolutely no reason. So what are we waiting for? Let's start building! I went and grabbed a USB extension cable so I could charge the motor while I was opening the Lego bricks. I just realized there was a typo. It's supposed to be Jeep, not Jupe. I realized the remote controller had no batteries, so I tried to open it, but one of my screwdrivers were too big, so I had to go and get a screwdriver and batteries. I figured out how to make the motor move. You have to turn on the motor before you connect with the remote control. I had to take some eye breaks, otherwise my eyes would get pretty tired. Overall, this build was extremely fun. If you like these types of unboxing videos, please comment down below and we'll do more of them. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!